What is up, guys? Julien here, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos. We are looking at how to pronounce the name of a famous winery, a famous wine estate located in the Pomerol area of the Bordeaux wine region of France. We are looking at how to pronounce Château Gazin. Château Gazin is a Pomerol estate that is neighboring the very famous, the most famous of all Pomerol wines, Pétrus. It is also neighboring Chateau evangile. So Château Gazin counts with more than 85% of Merlot, but it also grows smaller proportions of Cabernet Franc and Cabernet Sauvignon that is blended into its Pomerol wine. So how do you go about pronouncing Château Gazin? Well, Chateau, you know about Chateau, and then Gazin. Gazin. Do not say Château Gazin, but rather Chateau Gazin. Château Gazin. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye-bye.